Welcome students. Today we will be starting with the next type of sorting technique, that is bubble sort. So this is bubble sort. These 3 to 4 lines are familiar to you. You have to enter this out. You will print this statement as enter array elements and this will enter the values in your array. So now let's start with this directly with the loop. For I is equals to 0 and you are inside, you will check the condition is 0 less than 4. Yes, you are inside the loop. J is equals to 0 and j is less than 5 minus I minus 1, that is 5 minus I, that is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5, minus 1, that is 4. So j will the loop will be done till 4 times. So is till we have to run the loop till 4 j is less than 4. Now you will check, is 0 less than 4? Yes, you are inside the loop. A of j is greater than a of j plus 1. A of j, that is 0, is greater than j plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, 1. Is 27 greater than 51? No. Again come increment the value of j, that is 1. Is 1 less than 4? Yes, you are inside the loop. Now you have to check 1 plus, that is a of 1 is greater than a of 2. Is 51 greater than 3? Yes. So now what you have to do, you have to interchange the value of a of j and a of j plus 1. So this is what is done, that is we have to interchange the value of 3 and 51. Now again you have to do increment the value of j, that it will become now 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes, you are inside the loop. A of 2 is greater than a of 2 plus 1, that is a of 3. Is 51 greater than 13? Yes. Now again you will interchange the value of a of 2 and a of 3. Now again you will increment the value of j. Now it will become 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, you are inside the loop. You have to check if a of 3 is greater than a of 3 plus 1. That is a of 3 is greater than a of 4. Is 51 greater than 46? Yes, you are, the condition is true. You are inside the loop. Thus we have interchanged the values of a of 3 and a of 4. So now you can see this is your sorted array after the first sort. Now we will again increment the value of I for the second sort. It will become 1. Now you will come inside this loop. J is equals to 0. J is less than 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this time the limit is 3. A of j is greater than a of j plus 1, that is a of 0 is greater than a of 1. Is 27 greater than 3? Yes. As 27 is greater than 3, we will interchange, the condition is true, we are inside the loop and we will interchange the value of a of 0 and a of 1. Now the value of j will be incremented, it will become j plus plus, now it will become 1. Is a of 1 greater than a of 2? Is 27 greater than 13? A of 1 is greater than a of 2, yes. So a of 1 is greater than a of 2. We will interchange their we have interchanged their positions. Now you will again check. J will be incremented. It will become 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. You will check if a of 2 is greater than a of 3. Is a of 2 is greater than from a of 3? No. You will not increment the value. Now you will again come increment the value 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. You are out of the loop. Now you will increment the value of I. It will become 2. J is equals to 0. J is less than 5 minus 2. That is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. You have to run the loop till 2. So now you will check if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. That is a of 0 is greater than a of 1. No, it is small. So you will now again increment the value of j, that will become 1. Is 1 less than 2? Yes, you will again check if a of 1 is greater than a of 2. Is 13 greater than 27? No. You will again increment the value of j. It will become 2. Is 2 less than 2? No, you are outside the loop. So same ways you will check the further conditions, but your array is already in sorted order. You can see that. So there will be 4 sorts. So total these are the 4 sorts. So your array will be sorted on after the 4th sort, but the values that we have taken, according to that our array was sorted in the second sort only. So I hope students bubble sort and selection sort was clear to you. It's a request, kindly note these programs in your copies and please prepare well for the exams. Thank you, class.